Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to link in Excel to quickly navigate between worksheets with button. Example, we have 8 worksheets, 8 sheets. Main is one is the main sheet, and we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I don't want to click sheet Monday like this one by one. If I want go to the sheet that I want, I need just click on my button. Example, I want to go to the Wednesday sheet, so I just click Wednesday. It's go to Wednesday sheet. If I want to go back to main sheet, I just click go to main. Okay, it is easy. Now let's start. Okay, now let's start together. First, we need to insert shape. Now we go to insert menu, shape, and I choose rectangle, round rectangle. Okay, now I change style to change style of button. This one, edit text, Monday, center. Okay, we have 7 sheets: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we create 7 buttons. We just copy and paste 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, two, three. Rename Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now we need to link Monday button to Monday sheet by right click on Monday button and link, go to link, and then we go to place in this document. Then you will see all sheet in our Excel: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we want to link to Monday, so we choose Monday. Okay. Now let's testing first. Okay, Monday. Tuesday also do the same. Link Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, okay. Friday, choose Friday. Saturday, link to Saturday, and Sunday, link to Sunday. Okay, now we can testing. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you don't want to click main sheet, you want to have one button and click go back to main, you can do the same this button. Now I example, insert, shape, angle, change style, edit text, go to center. Okay, copy to all sheet. You copy first before you link. If you link already and you copy the button, it's not easy to move the button to the place that you want to keep it. Okay, now we link to main. Right click, link, main. Okay, stay, link, Tuesday, Wednesday, link, Wednesday, Thursday, link. Yeah, sorry. We need link to main sheet. Edit link. If you link already, you want to change link, you right click and you choose edit link, not link like as we just create the first. So we need to click edit link and change to main. If you not yet link the button, you click link, no edit link. Main, Friday, link, main, Saturday, link to main, Sunday, link to main. Okay, now we test. Go back to main. Okay. Monday, go back main. Tuesday, go back main. Wednesday, go back main. Thursday, back. Friday, back. Saturday, back. Sunday, back. Okay, this video is finished. Thank you for your watching. Please like, share and subscribe to get more the video. Thank you. Goodbye and good luck.